Believe it or not, this place is the home to the world's largest, oldest continuous civilization. People here were experts in literature from as early as 3000 BC. On this land was built the world's first ever university. This is the land that established the earliest school of medicine known to humans and performed complicated surgeries. This is the very piece of land which gave the world the number system. The people from this land never invaded any country in the last 10,000 years of history. On this very land was born 4 great religions. It is here that the world's longest dance festival continues to charm people. The world's largest employer functions here. And amidst the times of a global financial meltdown, the economy of this vibrant land has registered a growth of 7.4%. This land is today the world's largest democracy and the largest English-speaking nation in the world. This is India, where geography changes every few miles, with each of the 28 states and 7 union territories boasting of its own glorious history, and with language and culture changing within each state. From the eternal snows of the Himalayas to the cultivated peninsula of far south. From the deserts of the west to the humid deltas of the east. From the dry heat and cold of the central plateau to the cool forest foothills. India holds virtually every kind of landscape imaginable and has very varied weather patterns. India's first major civilization dates back 5,000 years. The excavated cities of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are known to possess a sophisticated lifestyle, a highly developed sense of aesthetics, an astonishing knowledge of town planning, and an undecipherable script language. With countless attractions, India had her share of conquerors right from 1500 BC. India accommodated them all and emerged as an independent sovereign republic in the year 1947. The true beauty of India lies in the perfect blend of the old and the new, tradition and modernity. Culture here is all about respecting elders, honoring heroes and cherishing love. This land of aspirations, achievements and self-reliance has a very high level of tolerance. Hence the advent of so many external cultures and religions was not restricted. Very few countries in the world can boast of such religious diversity and yet remain united. Majestic temples were raised to house the gods. They became centers of learning and contributed to the advancement of arts, sculpture, painting, music and dance. Indian art is a manifestation of the rich tradition of the country. The paintings speak of the life of the people. India is known for its famous paintings like the Madhubani, Mysore, Wali art, and Tanjore paintings. Music and dance, a major part of the heritage of modern India, is most varied. Classical music is a tradition here, passed on to generations. A very interesting mix of folk and pop music also exists. Dance is a form of religion to many who revere it. Bharatnatyam is the most renowned form of dance. Kathak, Odissi, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, and Mohiniyattam are other popular styles. A colorful mosaic of Indian festivals is an eternal expression of the spirit of celebration. Festivals like Diwali, Holi, Eid, Pongal, Mahavir Jayanti, and Christmas are all celebrated with enthusiasm and gaiety. Indian clothing has left an indelible mark on the global market. Saris, salwar kameez, and ghagra choli are the traditional form of attire for women. As for men, it consists of dhoti, pajama, and kurta. The sumptuous Indian cuisine is typically spicy. Every region has its own unique ingredients and technique to prepare an assortment of much sought-after dishes and exclusive pickles. Many monumental places of interest have been classified as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Ajanta and Ellora Caves, Taj Mahal, majestic temples, monuments of Hampi and Qutub Minar are just a few. Hindi and English are official languages. 22 languages in all have been recognized, with hundreds of dialects adding to the vividness of the country. There are films in 15 languages, newspapers in 90 or more, and radio programs in 71 languages. India is a country that leaves one spellbound with its alluring contrasts and striking features in all that it beholds. The Indian economy too is diverse and encompasses various fields. The Indian film industry, Bollywood, churns out an amazing number of 800 movies every year and is the largest film industry in the world. India is the 12th largest economy in terms of market exchange rates and 3rd in terms of purchasing power. This makes India the 2nd fastest growing economy in the world. With a strong pool of talented and skilled manpower, rich natural resources, favorable climate and positive outlook, this country is one of the best places for companies to conduct their businesses. The India of today. A land steeped in history. A civilization with a rich culture. A surging economy. And a vibrant young nation.